I am Ashok Sharma. This is my wife, Mrs. Radhika Sharma. Actually, when we decided to redo our kitchen, I was on the lookout who could redevelop this kitchen. So we went to certain agencies, and finally, then we decided we go with kitchen decor. Mainly, why kitchen decor was they are just next door. That was one thing, that any interaction was very easy with them. And secondly, yes, and kitchen decor people have done some kitchen work in this society. So with that intention, we finally decided that we go with kitchen decor. Initially, they came with their team to look at the old kitchen. They took the measurements, they saw the layout, and then finally the design team came out with a particular design. Before finally we decided, okay, this is what the kitchen will look like in the final design. As promised by Milind sir, within a month's time, of course it took around a month's time to complete the whole kitchen, and this is what it is now in the ready form.
And we are very much happy with the outcome. It was exactly as we had envisaged, so it was a good experience with them.
Quality wise, no complaints. Absolutely, it was done well and well executed, and quality is of course top class.
The finishing and all is really very good. We are very happy with the finish. It's nothing crude left halfway and all.
Some of our own friends also visited our house to have a look at the new kitchen, how it is, because they have already seen the old one. And now when they see the new one, they were also highly impressed with the layout, with the quality of the work done, and the whole design itself. And definitely my wife is also very happy that kitchen has been handed over to her in a very functional way, that we have started the kitchen.
Yeah, and I'm very happy to cook in such a beautiful place now. So I'm sure I'll be able to churn out more delicious food in this lovely kitchen.
And thanks to the whole team of kitchen decor, right from Milind sir, Pooja ma'am, and the design team, the marketing team, we will definitely recommend kitchen decor to whosoever wants to get their kitchen done.